Hi! In front of me is ZTE Axon 30, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store and install your new defaults. I already have my Chrome browser. When you're ready, access Devices Settings. Over here, you need to scroll down and access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps over here under General and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app and select Chrome by clicking on it. Now when I click on the back button, as you can see, my app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!